you're purchasing your welding equipment, you have the sleeves with the leather at the bottom, cloth at the top. Then you have the ones with full cloth, which I say get the ones with the full bibs. Then you have the ones with the full leathers. So it's good to have a set, either or, these and these, or you can get the ones that's like this one, as you see. This one only got the one at the top. It's good to have this one, and then you can put the bib on the bottom. You can actually buy the extension. So, you know, I would say one of these with the extension, and have one of these is good. Everybody do their own thing. But when you come into your caps, you got different sizes. My head is small, so I think this is 1 1/8. So this is what I use. But they have different sizes actually. 1 1/4, 1 3/7, 1 3/8, 1 1/2, 7 3/8. I mean. And what is this? 7 5/8. I need these two, and I need 2 pieces of 1/2 inch tubing.
Half inch tubing? Oh,
yeah.
The 16 gauge little 1/2 inch guys?
Yeah.
Solid or not solid?
What you mean not solid? You got me.
One is a hollow tubing, one is solid.
So you got one that is it about? You said it's 16 gauge.
Yeah, come on.
That's fine. 16 gauge is good.
16 gauge work out?
Yeah.
Let's make sure we got some.
Just a 1/2 inch. So I'm in here getting a couple things. Kind of threw me off when he said solid, no solid. But we have a few different things as far as the sizes though. So I like shopping in here, messing with them. But that's a few different accessories.
Yeah, like 20 feet long.
Yes. How much are they? I think I need. See how much they are. Depends on how many I need right now.
Not very much.
And they 16, so that's even better because they thinner.
Let's see. HogOn, you don't go on account list, do you?
Not yet, but I'm about to.
Yeah.
I got the thing, but I haven't signed it all completely out.
All right, let's see here. That is SCST 16 gauge 1/2 by 1/2.